Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion T5 gaming desktop tower. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo Legion T5 gaming desktop tower is a powerhouse designed to redefine what it means to game, create, and multitask. At the heart of this desktop is the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor, a true marvel in modern computing. With its 96 megabytes 3D V cache, this CPU delivers lightning-fast response times and exceptional frame rates, making every gaming session smoother and more immersive. Whether you're diving into competitive esports matches or exploring graphically demanding AAA titles, the Legion T5 ensures your experience is fluid, responsive, and razor-sharp. Complementing the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR5 graphics card, engineered for next-level visual fidelity. With ray tracing and DLSS 4 AI-powered rendering, the RTX 5070 transforms your games into cinematic experiences. Shadows, reflections, and every fine detail are rendered with incredible accuracy, making 4K gameplay feel lifelike and breathtaking. Every frame comes to life with remarkable realism, whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in fast-paced multiplayer battles. Memory and storage are critical to a gaming desktop, and the Legion T5 doesn't disappoint. Featuring 64GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, this system handles multitasking, video editing, streaming, and heavy workloads with ease. Load times are significantly reduced, applications launch instantly, and switching between programs is seamless. Storage is equally impressive, with a combination of 2TB SSD and 2TB HDD, providing ample space for your games, media, and creative projects while ensuring rapid data access and minimal wait times. Cooling is a crucial aspect of high-performance gaming, and Lenovo has engineered the Legion Coldfront ARGB cooling system to keep this tower running efficiently. The advanced airflow design maintains optimal temperatures, even under intense gaming sessions, while RGB lighting adds a bold and dynamic aesthetic to your setup. The system runs quietly, allowing you to focus on gameplay without distracting fan noise. Connectivity and user experience are also top-notch. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, you can enjoy fast, stable connections for online gaming, streaming, and creative work. The desktop includes an 850W energy-efficient power supply, supporting uninterrupted performance for long hours of use. Nahimic 5.1 surround sound enhances the audio experience, while Legion Space software gives you complete control over lighting, cooling, and system performance. Running Windows 11 Pro, the T5 offers advanced security, multitasking features, and a smooth interface for both gaming and productivity. In short, the Lenovo Legion T5 gaming desktop tower is not just a PC. It's a complete gaming and creative platform. From the incredible Ryzen CPU and RTX graphics to the high-speed DDR5 memory and massive storage, every component is designed to deliver uncompromising performance. Its sleek ARGB cooling system, quiet operation, and robust connectivity options make it perfect for gamers, streamers, and creators alike. Whether you're conquering 4K AAA games, streaming live content, or tackling professional creative tasks, the Legion T5 stands ready to elevate your experience, blending raw power with stunning design and complete control.